got a bit to learn about this 40. G'day, welcome to the 40 channel. So we're taking a little break off the FJ40 to come out camping and just a bit of R&R. It's been nice, hasn't it, Jack?
Yeah.
So we're here at Ophir Reserve, which is just outside of Orange in New South Wales. This place has stacks of stuff to do. So some of the stuff to do is what, mate?
So we got mountain biking. Got actually a rope swing over there.
You're subscribed to Cutler MX Productions. Go, Jakey!
Go kayaking, swimming.
A little bit cold for swimming, but
yeah,
we still did it.
Still did it, Ola.
How do you know?
Gold panning. So I bought myself this thing called a turbo pan. All it makes me do is wash dirt twice as fast. There's bushwalking, there's some tours of the old gold mines and some tunnels cut into the hillsides. They're really cool, aren't they? You go exploring through them. That's cool. Bit of bush camping, so you're totally off the grid, so you just bring everything you need, including firewood and all that type of stuff as well. I did a bit of bush cooking, so old camp oven into the ground, cooked up a bit of a feed, which is nice. So delicious. It's a good spot.
Yeah.
Anyway, we've had a fantastic time out here. It's time to get back. Do a little bit on the cruiser, but we also need to announce the winner to the Reefmonkey competition. So we're going to do that later on in the end of this video as well. So it's all exciting. So
sweet.
So good. All right. Well, let's pack up our campsite and head back home.
Let's get to it.
So we had a lot of rain last night on our campsite, and unfortunately this drawer got accidentally left open by a child. So we're just going to clean all these tools up, but luckily give them a really good spray with the Chemtools R1. Good as new, Benny.
Legends.
so we just got back from camping out at Ophir. Fantastic time out there. Just doing some small little bits and pieces on the cruiser, just on the engine, like filling the radiator and throwing some air filters in, just getting it prepped. Hopefully we'll be able to start it soon.
Yeah.
We'll see how we go. So I've just started some work on these doors. We're putting some new doors on here, not using the ones that we did originally, due to they were pretty rubbishy, so started them. So that'll be, all that work will be on another video too. So tonight we're going to be doing the draw for
The giveaway.
Reefmonkey.
Reefmonkey.
So that's pretty excited. Anyway, I'm just going to be tinkering around. There's not going to be much in this video for FJ40 stuff. Mostly the trip and giveaway video, so pretty exciting. Anyway mate, I better take you to work and I'll tinker away at this a little bit more, and I'll get you up at midnight tonight to make the draw.
Sweet, let's go.
Okay. So I had Jack topping up the radiator system yesterday, and he got through one bottle and he gave me a yell out, "Dad, this is leaking." So I tried tightening up all the hose clamps and it's still just weeping out now. So it's getting pretty late and dark last night. So really the only option is to drain it all out, pull that pipe off. I've only got, I don't know, should be only about 6 litres in there, so we don't have to drain too much. Hopefully we won't lose too much either. Let's see if we can get this out. Turning into the Hulk. Bleeding green. Better go wash it. So, time to pick the winners. One for Australia, one for the US. Random comment pickers up. Let's do it, Jack.
Aaron from Nevada. I love the Reefmonkey giveaway, and I'm from
Reno,
Nevada.
Sweet. Alright, congratulations Aaron. You're winner number 1. Let's move on to our Aussie winner.
Let's see.
Righto, so I think it's Isarasena Motorsports from Fernvale, Queensland. Righto, congratulations guys, that's awesome. So you guys are going to be getting that awesome Reefmonkey pack. So we're sending it out to you guys, and congratulations. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Yeah. Not a huge amount of 40 stuff, but a cool trip to Ophir and 2 awesome winners. So congratulations. Oh, and the other thing is, don't forget, use 40 channel and you get the promo code for 10% off. And Reefmonkey have gone and made the postage cheaper to Australia and New Zealand. So that's sensational. So how good is that?
Yeah, it's awesome.
All right, thanks guys. Appreciate your support. Feel free to leave a comment.
Thanks for watching.
Right, go to bed, Jack.